Okay guys, so everything's done. You followed the steps. You've checked your pH, you checked your alkalinity, you've checked your free chlorine, and you've added your oxidizing shock. So your spa or swim spa should be pretty fresh and good to go. So now that we've done that, how do we maintain it on a regular basis? I'm going to give a short little summary here. So for your routine maintenance, you always need to make sure that your spa has got a chlorine reading. So no matter what, your pH, your alkalinity, and your free chlorine always need to be present. I'll show you the test strips again in the video just so you can see. We have to always make sure that your pH, your alkalinity, and your free chlorine are showing in the okay range. If we're not, you need to fix those first, okay? Otherwise the water is going to keep getting dirty, all right? But now we've always got those things going. We've always got them in the okay range. What do we do on a routine basis? We want to apply oxidizing shock to the water after we get out. And the best way to do that is to just simply do 1 cap per person. So when I get out of my tub, I usually throw 1 to 1.5 capfuls of shock right into the water after I get out. And that's going to help keep my spa fresh. It's going to make sure that all bacteria, any body oil, any sweat, it's always being broken down and being washed into the filters. So routine maintenance is to use your oxidizing shock, okay? You're not using that big 9 ounces like we used in my swim spa over here when we started it up. This is while you're using it now. 2 months down the road, 3 months down the road, you're just applying the shock per use, per person. So we're gonna do 1 ounce per person or 1 cap per person every time you get out of the spa, and that'll make sure it stays fresh.